morning, students. Today I am going to solve some more sum from the exercise 1 from the chapter decimal. In our previous class we are already solved up to question number 6. Now today I am going to solve from the question number 7. See, question number 7, 2 number. Exercise 1. Question number 7, 2 number is given that multiply 1.234 into 0.05. What I told you when I taught the chapter, that when the multiplication is given, you have to first multiply as you know how to multiply the digits. So first we have to ignore the decimal number and we just solve the multiplication. Okay. Now 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 3 5s are 15, plus 2 is 17, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 and 6 and this is 5. Okay, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 and this will be, again I solve it, 1.234 0.05. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15, 6 is 17, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11 and 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 is 6, right? Now see, the next line, multiply with 0, so every number will be 0. The next line multiply with again 0, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 times 0. Now add this number 0, 7, 1, 6, 0, 0. Now how to put the decimal number? Count the decimal number from the first digit 1, 2, 3 and then next line 4 and 5. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here will be the decimal number 0.06170. This is your required answer, right? Now again I show you the question number 7 4. Here the 3 decimal number is given. So how to solve it? So process is same. First you have to solve this 2 digit. Then the answer you came, that answer you should multiply with 0.2. So what are we doing? 2.32 into 1.5. So 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 15 1 16, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 1 11. Okay. Now next with 1 with the multiply the above number 2 3 2. Add the number 0 6 7 8 4 and 3. Place the decimal number 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 and 3. So this 3.480 multiplied again with 0.2. Now what do we get? 2 0 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 9, 3 2s are 6. Now multiply to 0, 1 2 3 and 4. 0 6 9 6 0. 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4. This is your required answer. Hence the answer is 0.6960. Done. Now the question number 8. Now question number 8 is given to solve or to evaluate the value for division. So I'll show you the question number 2 is given that 2 number is given 36.2 is divided by 0.5. So what I told you, if the decimal is the denominator is also given, we first convert the denominator into the natural number. This will be the like this. Okay. Now you divide 3 6 2. 5 7s are 35, 1 2, 5 2s are 10, 2. Now this remainder is less than the divisor. So we put a decimal number. For this decimal number we can put here 0. So 5 4s are 20. So the answer is what? 72.4. When you divide this 2 digit you get answer 72.4. Okay. Now I show you the 8 4 number. 8 question number 4. Here see, the question number 4 is given 0.0456 is divided by 0.016. So what I told you, first you have to convert the denominator into the natural number. So how many digits is here? So 1, 2, 3. So we can put the decimal number 1, 2, 3 counted, and 45.6 divided by 16 will be here. Now you simply divided the 16 by 45.6. So 16 2s are 32. Now 45 minus 32 is 13. This point goes here. Now 6 will be coming down. Now 136. So 16 8s are 128. 16 8s are 128. Now minus 8, you get 8. So for this decimal you put a 0 over here, and 16 5s are 80. So your required answer is, hence answer is 2.85. Right? So this is your required answer. Now you can easily solve the question number 9 and 10 also. So I am going to show you the question number 11. This is the word problems. So see, in question number 11 it is said that the price of 2 books is 460 rupees 45 paisa. So you can write the price of 2 books is rupees 460.45. Price of 1 book is given rupees 202.75 paisa. So the price of other book is what? Total cost of the 2 books is this, 1 book is this, so you have to get minus from the total, so you get the answer 45 minus 202.75. This should be you doing in your rough work. Now 202.75, 5 minus 5 0. This is 14 minus 7 is 7, 9 minus 2 is also 7, 5 and 2. So answer is 2 rupees 257.70. Right? Now next is given question number 12. The total weight of Aisha, Rebecca and Shilpi is 106.35 kg. Right? And the weight of Aisha and Rebecca is given. You have to find the Shilpi's weight. How you find it? So you first add the weight of Aisha and Rebecca and minus from the total weight, that is 106.35. From that you get the Shilpi's weight. So I am not showing you the question number 12. I will show you the question number 14. Okay. See, the question number 14 is given. A car is moving in uniform speed. If covers 168.35 km in 3.7 hours. So how much does it cover in 1 hour? So what is the statement is, car in 3.7 hours car covered distance is 168.35 kilometer. Okay. Therefore, in 1 hour, car covered distance is 168.35 divided by 3.7. So, first you have to, in division you know that first you have to convert the denominator into what? Natural number. So now, showing the division in the rough work I'll do it here. You can do it in the right corner of your page. Rough work is 137 divided by 1683.5, right? So this is the rough work space. 37 into 5. 37 into 5 is 185, which is greater than 168, right? So 37 into 4, we get 37 into 4 is 148. So 37 4s are 148, 02. This 3 will come 203. 37 5s are 185. So 37 6 is what? 37 6 are 222. Right? So 37, which is greater than 203, so we can go to by 5. 37 5s are 185. So minus, we get 18, and this 5 will come here, and this decimal point is placed here. So 5s are 185. So answer is 45.5 kilometer. Got it? Now you can solve all the questions from the exercise 1. And next class I will show you the next part of this chapter. Thank you.